Imagine running a flash sale, offering holiday discounts, or sharing a special promo code in your latest video for your digital or physical product, all without having to scramble between different platforms. For most online businesses, managing discounts can feel easy. However, when you add another thing that you have to manage within your business, it's a lot easier when all of those things are in one place. Just wanted to jump in here and say, if you stick around to the end of this video, you're not only going to get all the information, but you're also going to get access to a way to plug and play free frameworks so you don't have to build anything for yourself. You can just click a button and download it instantly into your ClickFunnels account. So stay to the end to figure out how to get access to that. So in this video, I'm going to show you how ClickFunnels 2.0 discounts app is just another feather in your cap so that this one platform can help you simplify and create and manage your discounts for digital or physical products, all from one convenient platform. This is, of course, in a series of videos that teaches you about all the ClickFunnels 2.0 apps. All right, guys, so welcome to my ClickFunnels 2.0 account. In this video, we are talking about discounts. So this is a way for you to create and manage your discounts, just depending on what you're even doing. This, of course, is a demonstration of my code that I hand out to people that I work with in my co-work space if they want to consult with me. But you can create discounts for both your physical and digital products. And it is literally as easy as clicking a button and putting in just a few key aspects to what your discount is about and what code you want to use for it. Because another way to use this is if, say, you put a call to action in one of your YouTube videos and you say, hey, if you click the link below and use the word pineapple, then you can get an additional 20% off your next discovery call with me. It's actually a good idea. I might do that in a future video. But point being that it's a way for you to not only drive engagement, but it's also a way for you to give your audience something worth clicking on and a reason why they should work with you. But most importantly, this makes you not want to pull out your hair.
Doesn't anyone notice this? I feel like I'm taking crazy pills!
So that you can manage all of your business aspects in one convenient location on one platform, because everybody has shiny object syndrome when it comes to software, and AI only made it worse. And so that's it for this training, but your funnel building journey doesn't stop here. Every training in this video series comes with a plug and play framework that you can get access to through My Business Success Vault. So you don't have to think about it. You just click and you're good to go. But that's not all that's in the vault. There's also courses, digital downloads, other pre-built frameworks, and trainings on different AI tools and automation to help keep your business running smoothly and efficiently. The best part is the Business Success Vault comes with a 7-day free trial. And you have full control over your membership status at any time, no hassle, no commitment. So if you're ready to take the guesswork out of growing your business on ClickFunnels, then click the link below and start implementing with ease. See you there. Online business doesn't have to be complicated. And as the rule of thumb goes, simple scales, fancy fails. The first way to accomplish that mission is to have all of your business processes in one convenient, simple location. Happy discounting. Thanks for tuning into Business Fundamentals with me, the Business Cowgirl. And if you want more free, awesome content just like this to help your business grow and develop online from a seasoned expert in business technical architecture. But if you really want your business to grow, then I highly recommend you check out my weekly newsletter, Winning Business, from somebody who's been a business consultant for the last 10 years, helping businesses create efficient and effective workflows to help their businesses save them time, money, and resources. What does that really mean? It means the answer to the question of what you need to build for where your business is trying to go. So when you're ready, those links are always down in all my video descriptions for you. So to be continued.